Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Samsung M2070 Xpress series, and now I'm gonna show you how to copy document on this device. To do it, firstly you need to switch to the scan feature. Then I will show you. Then you can do everything here. Firstly, you need to open the cover, top cover. So as you can see here we have the cover. So open the cover, and here you need to, if you want to open the cover, just pull it up, and that's it. Then just insert the paper on this glass. Insert the paper here. Paper with the text, of course. And then just click scan, wait a while, and click start. Now my file is scanning. That's great. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.